Community Harm Productions is a small charity. We work with socially excluded people in the community, sometimes young people, sometimes people with disabilities or homeless people, and we provide projects really that allow them to engage with the arts, with drama, theatre, music, dance, and they can gain skills, gain qualifications, become involved in their communities, and really develop confidence. Well, the funding is for a new drama project based in Deeside, and it's going to pay for the venue. All our work takes place in community venues, so we're in the heart of the community operating, and it'll make a big difference because of course without the venue we wouldn't be able to go ahead. So the grant will really help us to engage some people, get them involved in drama, get them out of the house, learning, growing, achieving.